The HDFC Bank Small Vertical Business Loan is specifically designed for self-employed individuals. Applicants must meet the eligibility criteria, which include a minimum annual turnover of 60 lakh rupees for banking products, 1 crore rupees for income, 35 crore rupees for banking, 15 crore rupees for GST, and 100 crore rupees for income. Applicants must be between 21 and 65 years of age, have a CIBIL score above 700, and no recent instances of financial bouncing. The loan amount ranges from 1 lakh rupees to 50 lakh rupees, with an extended limit of 75 lakh rupees for internal customers. The loan tenure is between 12 and 48 months, with an interest rate of 16% to 18% calculated on a reducing basis. The approval process is completed within 2 days, and the disbursement takes place within 7 days. Foreclosure charges are set at 4% of the loan amount, while the processing fee is 2%. Part payments are not allowed. Applicants are required to provide business registration proof, and having a co-applicant is mandatory. The business must have been operational for at least 3 years, and the processing is conducted online. Proof of ownership is required for pan-India office or residential properties, provided they are in locations where an Axis Bank branch is available. A unique selling point of this loan is that financial documentation is not required for amounts up to 35 lakh rupees. This service is available exclusively in the Delhi NCR region. However, certain profiles are not eligible for this loan, including individuals involved in schools, grain trading, the textile industry, share trading, gyms, automobiles, liquor, aviation, the tour and travel industry, and real estate. For professionals, a special product is available for MBBS and MD holders under the banking program, offering a loan of 25 lakh rupees with a receipt of 10 lakh rupees at an interest rate of 12% to 14%. The required documents include KYC documents for both the applicant and co-applicant, the last 3 years' income tax returns with income computation, and the last 3 years' bank statements. Additional documents include Form 16 for the past 2 years and 26 as for the last 2 years. Business-related documents, such as GST registration, MSME registration, and GST returns for the past 12 months, are also mandatory. Applicants with existing loans must provide sanction letters for all ongoing loans along with a debt sheet. Proof of residence, such as the latest utility bill for owned properties or a rent agreement for rented accommodations, is required. Proof of office ownership or rental is also necessary. 2 references with contact details must be provided. Additionally, details of debtors and creditors for the last 3 years on letterhead are required. For companies, a list of directors and shareholders must be submitted, while for partnerships or LLPs, a list of partners is necessary.